Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use Blocksy's color switch. Alright, so let's say you want to toggle dark mode or have different colors for the visually impaired, or just different colors just because you want to. So let's head over to our dashboard over here and click on Blocksy and enter our Blocksy dashboard. Now you're going to click on extensions, wait for this to load, and scroll down, and you need Blocksy Pro to our Pro extensions, and click on Color Mode Switch. Now, it gives us this toggle, and we will enable it. Now we can go ahead and customize it. But all we have to do is now go to our appearance and click on Customize. And we're going to end up in our WordPress customizer. Okay, to add the switch, let's go ahead and click on our header here and click on header. And we will see that we have color switch now available. Now let's just put it here on the side beside our logo, and we'll drag and drop and add it there. And you'll see that we have our color switch right here. Now let's go ahead and click on that widget here. And you can see that we have three types of logos or icons. And you can see that they're a bit different. And we can also change the icon size. And we could also do this cool thing called reverse icon state. And you can see that when we click on it, it like kind of animates, and doesn't really animate, or you can just change. So with this one with the moon and then the sun, right? That's pretty cool. And then we can also enable the label visibility and change it up depending on what you need. So again, if you wanted high contrast colors for the visually impaired, then you can change this to easy reading mode or something like that. And then we can also select our default color mode, which is light, dark, or OS aware, and the browser or operating system settings will tell the site to automatically select between light and dark mode. All right, so we'll keep it in light mode by default. And you can also change the color of the labels and the icons, and we'll just make them white for now and red just so it's easier to see, right? And the label color will make it white as well, and you can see that the colors change. Now that looks kind of like turkey. And we can also change the spacing and so on. Now, how do we configure our colors for light and dark mode? Because what if I select it to dark mode and it's hard to read these, but everything else is pretty cool looking. Like for that background, for instance, let's go ahead and select dark mode, and you can see that, oh, okay. All you're going to have to do is click on colors, and you'll see that we have our global color palette and we have our dark mode palette. Now let's click on dark mode and see that our text here is illegible. So let's go ahead and change that and make these white. I'm not sure which ones are which, but you'll see that on dark mode, it stays white. Now for the bottom one, let's see how that looks like. This is illegible, so let's go ahead and change it to dark. Okay, there we go. There's dark mode for you. And unfortunately, it changes along. Okay, there. That's pretty high contrast. I think that looks better. All right, and you can also change them depending on however you like. So this is a great example of light mode versus dark mode. Let's click on publish to save our changes. And let's refresh our site. And you can see that we have the icon over here, and we have our dark mode over here, and we click on light mode. That's how it looks like. So if you found this video useful, if you found it helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.